Okay, guys, this is kind of weird. It's 12:08 in the PM-ish, and I actually have a job interview, but I gotta be there in like 20 minutes, and it's in Clio. Okay, come on, it's green. Oh, that is a fine time to put your blinker on, you stupid dumbass. Hate when people do that. Sit there, no blinker, and then, oh, I guess I'm gonna left turn now. You moron. You were on my vlog. I'm so mad at you. So yeah, so I don't even have time to change. So this is gonna be a real interesting interview, I think. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm doing now. So yay for Mimi. Mimi? Yay, me. I don't know. So this is gonna be interesting because I'm on the campus right now. Actually at the University of Michigan Flint campus. So this ought to be really interesting. So, alright, I gotta drive. I gotta fly like the wind in my hair. Yeah, you're getting my physical. We're at a Goodwill job, so gotta have a physical. Oh, I'm in the bathroom right now, and I won't say no more. This is really weird. I'm scared. Oh. Yeah, so I'm in here getting a physical for like the job at Goodwill, so but it's all cool, it's all good. Should play with this. I see you guys. Look, it's a fancy clock. This clock goes up to 300. It's 300 o'clock. I see you. Don't tell anyone.
Oh my god, you guys, I'm never getting another physical ever again. I had to drop my pants and cough. That was the most embarrassing thing ever. That's like spitting in public or spitting on someone when you're talking. It's embarrassing. Oh my god. That sounds like Fred.
Sound like Fred. So yeah, great physical. The doctor, oh my gosh, the doctor was just funny as hell. He walks in and he goes, "Hi, doctor. You Dan? Yeah. Good. You here for physical? Yeah. Good." When we were getting ready to leave, he goes, "We leave now." I swear it was like weird as hell. Holy shit! That truck just cut in front of that Jeep there. I gotta go because somebody doesn't know nothing about anything. Well, at least the truck used its blinker. I saw that. So that's cool. Oh yeah, there's enough room for a pool table. Nothing else, but pool table. Well, I guess it is 1.5 baths, not 2 baths. I thought it was 2. Huh. Cool. I don't care. It's cool looking.
Alright, so which bedroom are you going to take? Probably this one?
No, I'm taking this one up here. Which? Oh. This is the one I'm taking. Because it's the biggest.
Where's the tape measure?
Mm-hmm.
What was you going to do with this? You got linoleum?
Yeah. Hold up. Pull this lever. Now that's crazy. Wait, let me see. Nice. Nice. That's creepy. That's creepy. I would like the grill though. I won't need a stove. Just give me a grill. That'll be fine. Dang right. All you need is heat. You can boil water. You don't need a stove. Only need an oven. We can just get a microwave oven.
There's
for that.
Scooby's home.
No, you wouldn't fit in that.
Oh, duh.
You get some speakers though. Could have extra speakers.
This would be nice for you to put in.
Okay, I went and got carpeting, and I got the living room. The living room is going to be a nice, comfortable thing. The bedroom's going to be red carpeting. The living room, I think it's tan, like tannish gray. But it's really comfy, and both of them are. And then I got, because I got it here. So, yeah, I got that stuff taken care of. So, total was $422 for just that stuff. So, yeah. It's good stuff. Gravy. Alright, now to go hang up signs for the rummage tomorrow. So I can make more money. So all of you, if you're near Mount Morris, Michigan tomorrow, look for these signs.